To today's video. So today we are actually going to be doing a little bit something different for the beauty of Christmas. We are actually going to do kind of like a challenge, mixed, like a challenge and a game mixed together. So we're going to do the reverse makeup challenge and a game called Fishbowl. So I have these two bowls and they're filled with folded up little things. This one has makeup looks or makeup challenges, and this one has just like foundation, concealer, makeup products that I have to do. When we pull each of them out, you have to do them in an order of how you pulled them out. So if you want to see how I create this look, then so I was trying to get my other thing to film but it's not working, so we're gonna just do it like this. So this side is the applying makeup order of the makeup, and then this side is the challenge or the look, makeup look. So I think I'm gonna start with the challenge. The order one look first. So I'm just gonna kind of mix it and then just randomly pull one out. Okay, so this one, oh wait. Good. I have to do highlighter. Okay. So what we have to do after highlighter is we have to do lips, blush, eyeshadow, lashes, foundation, concealer, eyebrows, primer, powder foundation, and bronzer. So that is the order that we're going to be doing the makeup look or makeup challenge first. And now we're going to go into this one to see what we're going to do for a makeup look or a makeup challenge. I'm just going to start looking. Okay. So we have to do, yes! Awesome. Favorite color makeup look. So I'm going to get out all my, get my makeup out, and so the first thing that we have to do in the order of the makeup, applying the makeup, we have to do a highlight. So I'm going to use actually this brush from the old-fashioned brushes, and then just use the L'Oreal Nude Palette and use this color. I'm just going to do the normal highlighting places. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend out the highlighter. So my favorite color is kind of like a sea foamy type color. So I was trying to figure out what lip color I can use. So I was thinking like a little like plum or like a red. So I'm going to use the CoverGirl Stars of Force Awakens lipstick. After we do the lips, I'm gonna do blush. So for eyeshadow, my favorite color is like a sea foamy thing. I think I already said that before. But first we're gonna go in with this big 104 eyeshadow palette. I think I'm gonna use this shade right here first. I'm just gonna put that all over. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right there and just put that in the crease. I'm just gonna darken up the color just a little bit more. So first we're gonna go in with this color. I feel like I should add just a little bit more to it, so I'm gonna add just kind of a little bit of a sparkle. We're gonna take this one right here. So I'm just gonna use my finger to apply it. To like lightly. Now I'm gonna take more frosty white pink shade and just put that right on my brow bone. Okay, so for concealer I'm using the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX. Show what I'm using. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Precise eyebrow pencil. The next thing that we have to do is bronzer. So I'm using the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the color Sunlight. I'm just using my Sonia Kashuk big fluffy brush. Okay, so now we have to do primer, and I'm using the Wish Botanical face primer. I'm just gonna put some of the back of my hand, as I always do, and start applying it. And probably messing up my everything that I did on my face already. We have to do lashes. So this is the Falsies Lash Lift from Maybelline. Right? Yeah. I gotta get closer. Now we actually have to do powder foundation. So I'm gonna do that. I was thinking like, ooh, I could just use this because it's a powder foundation and it's a like full coverage foundation, but that would be cheating, so I'm not gonna use this. I'm first definitely going to set the concealer because that's not set yet. Set the foundation, just foundation on, even though I'm not really setting the look foundation, that's what I normally do. So we're gonna do it. Actually, forgot to put this in the little papers, but I'm gonna put eyeliner and I guess I could just put eyeliner. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna do my waterline. So the last thing that we have to do is foundation. So we're using the CoverGirl plus Olay Simply Ageless foundation. My damp beauty blender. So this is the completed look. I'm actually kind of happy with it. I might actually wear this one for my birthday. I think, I don't know, I like it. So I'm actually going to be doing this video, or this challenge, once a month. So I'm super excited for it, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!